Keeping your bank transactions updated in Zoho Books is essential for accurate bookkeeping. Let's walk through how you can do it quickly and easily. From your dashboard, you'll see an overview of your finances. To manage your bank transactions more specifically, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Documents. This section is where Zoho Books organizes all uploaded files, including your bank statements. Inside Documents, click on Bank Statements. Here you'll see any statements you've previously uploaded, and you can also add new ones. If you haven't used this feature before, you may see an option called Enable Now. Click that to turn on bank statement uploads. Once enabled, you're ready to add your file. Click the Upload File button, then select your bank statement from your computer. Make sure it's in a supported format such as PDF or CSV. After choosing the correct file, confirm the upload, and Zoho Books will process it. Your transactions will now be updated, making it simple to reconcile your records with what's in your bank account. And that's all it takes. You've successfully updated your bank transactions in Zoho Books. Keep this routine up, and your financial data will always stay accurate and reliable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for helpful Zoho tips.